Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, Standard 8, video number 111, playing with numbers, section C, achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Fill in the blanks. Now this fill in the blanks has 3 sub questions. We'll do it one by one. If the sum of 3 digit numbers xyz, yzx and xzy is divided by x plus y plus z, then the quotient is here. These are the 3 numbers and that is divided by this x plus y plus z. Okay, we'll add them first. Sum. So xyz plus yzx plus zxy. Okay. Now what is this number actually? These are 3 digits. Okay, it's like 125. So 125 means what? 1 is what? 100 into 1 plus 25. 2 means what? 10 into 2. And 5 means what? 5 into 1. Right? That's the place value. We had studied that in some 3rd, 4th, 5th standards. Okay? That's called as a place value. So 100 into x plus 10 into y plus z for first one. Similarly for second. 100y plus 10z plus x. Similarly for third, 100z plus 10x plus y. Now these all are added. So what does it become? Equals to this 100 plus 1 plus 10. 111x, similarly 111y, similarly 111z. 111 is common. Now what is given? This addition is divided by x plus y plus z. It means this addition means what? This will be divided by this 111 into x plus y plus z will be divided by x plus y plus z. Now if it is divided then what will get cancelled? X plus y plus z will get cancelled and quotient would be 111. That is the required answer. Next, the difference between 2 digit numbers AB and BA is divided by. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.